So we're going to go over the volume of prisms and cylinders. So we have cylinders, we have our prisms. Okay, so we're going to work on those, everybody. So volume of prisms. So for volume, everybody, it's always equal to the area of the base times the height. Okay, so everybody, this big B stands for area of the base, because it's all about that base, no trouble. Okay, so for this one, so the area of the base, remember it's going to be length times width, and 10 is the height of our prism, so it's going to be length times width times height, so 12 times 4 times 10, so 12 times 4 times 10. So everybody multiply all those together, and it's going to be 480 meters cubed. Okay, volume is cubed. How much space can it hold inside that box? Or like if we're thinking a Kleenex box, how many Kleenexes can that box hold? Okay, so for a cylinder, everybody, again, it's still volume is the base times the height. The base, how we find the volume, the base area of a circle, everybody, is pi times the radius squared times the height. 8 is the radius, the height is 14. So we're going to substitute those all in. Okay, everybody, so remember this is for our cylinder. So we're going to use 3 and 1400ths for pi. 8 squared, everybody. So 8 squared times 14. Everybody make sure that you square it. That means 8 times 8. So we just multiply those all together, everybody. So 3 and 1400ths times 8 squared times 14. Okay. And so then we're going to get, so I got 2,813 and 44 hundredths. Remember 5 and up rounded up, so that means that it's going to stay the same, everybody. So it's going to stay as 8,813 and 4/10 centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's for this one. This one, everybody, the base is a triangle. So remember, for a triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. Let me say that again, everybody. It's 1/2 base times height. Okay, so this is the same thing, everybody, where it's going to be so we're going to have volume. Again, it's the base times the height. So that's going to be 1/2 base of the triangle times the height of the triangle times the height of the prism. Okay, so if you look at this, this is the tent. So we're looking right here, everybody. So that's the height of the triangular prism. Okay. Sorry, the height of the triangle, height of the triangle. This is the base of the triangle. And then this, so all we're doing is taking, this is the height of the triangular prism is right there. So we're just taking and we're just going to multiply all those numbers together. We just have to remember that it's a half, because it's half of a rectangular prism. So we're just going to multiply all those together. So if you want to think about it, this would be 10 times 10 is 100. Half of 100 is 50. So 50 times 13, and we get 650. So this is going to be 650 millimeters cubed. Okay, so let's do some more examples, everybody, for this. Okay, so again, I'm going to actually go down here. So this one, again, is going to be, this is our base of our triangle. This is the height of our triangle. This is the height of the prism. Again, area is equal to the area of the base times the height. So 1/2 base of the triangle times the height of the triangle times the height of the prism. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so 1/2, 15 times 9 times 4. And the 1/2, everybody, remember I always think of it like half a dollar is 50 cents. So you can also do 5/10. So 5/10 times 15 times 9 times 4. I just wanted to show you that, everybody. So 5/10 times 15 times 9 times 4. So the volume is 270 centimeters cubed because it's 3D, everybody. So if you look at this one, we're doing 3D. Okay, for a rectangular prism, again, volume is going to be area of the base times the height. So length times width times height. So we're just going to multiply. So this is the 8 is the length, the width is 4, the height is 11. So just multiply them all together. So we're just going to multiply 8 times 4 times 11. So we get 352 feet cubed. Okay, so for this one, so here's our cylinder again. So cylinder is still going to be the area of the base times the height. So remember that's going to be pi times the radius squared times the height. Our radius is 5. Our height is 9. That's the height of the cylinder, everybody. So height of the cylinder right here, everybody. Okay, and then our base. This is our base. This one looks better. So that's our base. So we're going to go ahead and multiply those all together. I'm going to use 3 and 1400ths for pi. So 5 squared, which is going to be 25 times 9. So everybody remember to square it. So we're going to have volume is equal to 706 and 5/10 inches cubed. Okay, everybody, you got these.